Ever felt a mysterious pain shifting to your right side? It could be more than just a stomachache. Today, we are diving deep into appendicitis, the symptoms, signs, tests, and the crucial treatments you need to know. Initially, we start with recognizing the symptoms and signs of acute appendicitis, which include periumbilical or epigastric colic, anorexia, nausea and vomiting, pyrexia, and pain shifting to the right iliac fossa. Clinical signs in appendicitis include localized tenderness in the right iliac fossa, rebound tenderness, guarding and rigidity. There are some special signs to elicit in appendicitis, which include the Rovsing sign, Sear's sign, and obturator sign. Next up is the scoring systems. To assess how likely appendicitis is, doctors often use the Alvarado score. A score of 7 or higher suggests a strong likelihood of appendicitis, combining symptoms, exam findings, and lab results. The Alvarado score is here for you to see. Then comes the imaging part, which includes an ultrasound, which is ideal for kids and pregnant women, a CT scan, which is most accurate with 94% sensitivity and specificity. The lab investigations in appendicitis include routine investigations such as a full blood count and urine analysis, selective investigations like a pregnancy test, urea, and electrolyte. Moving on to the treatment options. Surgical appendectomy remains the gold standard. A conventional appendectomy by gridiron incision or a Lanz incision, Rutherford-Morrison incision, laparoscopic appendicectomy, which is the best treatment nowadays. Intravenous fluid sufficient to establish adequate urine output and appropriate antibiotics should be given. Next up is the observation or discharge. For unclear cases, consider discharge with close follow-up if the patient is stable, controls pain well, and tolerates oral hydration. On discharge, the patients should know when to return for symptoms like increased pain, fever, vomiting, or rebound tenderness, and they should have a scheduled follow-up. From initial symptoms to life-saving surgery, that is your quick guide to appendicitis management. For more essential health insights, hit subscribe and turn on your notification.